Arlan Clayton was born in Duluth, Minnesota, at the western tip of Lake Superior. Growing up in this busy northern seaport with its long, frigid winters can instill a can-do attitude in any naturally driven, competitive person. Arlan Clayton was just such an individual. As a youth, he participated in competitive Nordic skiing and 90-meter ski jumping, winning awards in both sports. In the process, he learned the value of perseverance and endurance, knowledge that would serve him well in his chosen career. Eventually, his family moved and in time settled in Chicago in the early 50s. To help defray college tuition costs, Arlan resorted to what came naturally, hard work. At the elegant Conrad Hilton Hotel, then in its heyday, he bellhopped the 4 to midnight shift, toting the bags of guests that included such luminaries as Sammy Davis Jr., Humphrey Bogart, Charlton Heston, and Senator Everett Dirksen. He even served as a valet to Conrad Hilton himself whenever the hotel magnate was in town. His first venture into the world of metals was as an inside salesman for Carpenter Steel, a position that eventually brought him to Indianapolis. It was there that his love affair with PM began when he joined Mallory Metallurgical Company as a product specialist, responsible for all aspects of new products, including tungsten heavy metals, resistance welding materials, and electrical contacts. He was instrumental in developing a heavy metal high-temperature tooling material called anviloy for die casting and extrusion. He left Mallory in 1976 to join the PM operation at RB&W's Coldwater, Michigan facility, and in 1979 was tapped by U.S. Ceramic Tile Company to run Metal Powder Products Corporation in Logan, Ohio. For the next 2 decades, he guided MPP's growth into a multi-plant PM parts operation, with facilities in Ohio, Michigan, California, Pennsylvania, and Mexico, as well as acquired companies RB&W, Carbon City Products, Ceramet, and Brunswick's MIM operation. In 1996, the company began building the Flomet facility in DeLand, Florida, which MPP's original investors decided to spin off in 1998. Arlan sold his stake in MPP and took over Flomet, where he served as president and CEO until his retirement in 2006. Arlan is proud of the role his various companies have played in the growth of the PM technology. Collectively, his MPP companies won more than a dozen awards in MPIF's annual PM Parts Design Competition, and Flomet has continued the winning tradition with many awards for MIM components, primarily in the medical arena. While the PM industry was good to Arlan Clayton, he was good to the industry in return. He served as chairman of the MPIF Industry Development Board, president of the Powder Metallurgy Parts Association, MPIF president for 2 terms, and director of APMI International. This exemplary record earned him MPIF's Distinguished Service to Powder Metallurgy Award in 1991. From 1992 to 1995, he served as president of the Center for Powder Metallurgy Technology, where he was instrumental in securing government funds for PM research activities. In order to strengthen CPMT's effectiveness in funding PM research and promoting PM education, in 1998 he donated $1 million to CPMT, establishing the Clayton Family Scholarship Fund, an endowed gift representing the largest single grant ever given to the PM industry by an individual. In making this donation, he noted that the gift is my expression of thanks to an industry that has provided me with great personal benefits. I believe strongly that PM is a critical metalworking field whose future growth will be technology-driven. Even though he's retired, Arlan continues to be active in the management of Technoseal LLC, a glass-to-metal sealing company in Minneapolis, and holds a board position there as well as with Flomet. Arlan Clayton's 4 decades-long PM career epitomizes the spirit the MPIF Awards Committee and Board of Governors sought to honor in establishing the Kempton H. Roll PM Lifetime Achievement Award, a recognition of individuals with outstanding accomplishments and achievements who have devoted their careers and a lifetime of involvement to the field of powder metallurgy and related technologies. There is no more fitting person for this honor than Arlan J. Clayton.